Dear students, as an employer, we might be interested in finding out the efficiency of our employees. Let us see how integration can help us to assess it. So we are taking a numerical example here. We are assuming that time is measured in months, which is represented by T, and there is a job of postal clerk who is sorting the mail, and that function is there that represents that how many letters he sorts during 1 hour. What is the average rate at which the clerk sorts mail during the first 3 months? So we want to assess his efficiency for the first 3 months. So let's use integration to help us. Before we go there, let's just recall that if we're talking about average variable or average function, we can use the definite integration with that certain formula that can help us to find out the average function. And we shall see that formula just now. So this is that formula that we are going to resort to because it can help us to find out the average function. So this is the given function, and we are also told that we are to assess the efficiency for the 3 months from now. That is, the upper and lower limits will be 3 and 0. So now we are all set to apply this formula. Q average T, ये है हमारे पास वो फंक्शन जो कि हमें गिवन था जिसके हमने वैल्यूज लगाई. ये आप देख रहे हैं लोअर लिमिट और ये आप देख रहे हैं अपर लिमिट. And now after this we have this simple calculation जो कि हम काफ़ी हद तक रिहर्सल जिसकी कर चुके हैं, and we can do that again. So after doing all of this, all these steps, we will come to this semi-final step which will give us this final result. So what we see here is that we have done all those steps of definite integrals in the average function version of that, जिसमें हमने एक certain factor से multiply किया जो था 1 over b minus a, that is 1 over upper limit minus lower limit. So in this case it became 1 over 3 minus 0, that is 1 over 3. So after all of these calculations, okay, you can do easily, you see that we have the average efficiency of that individual. Now we are in a position to interpret it and make recommendations. So we can say that the average efficiency of the clerk in sorting mail during the first 3 months is approximately 492 letters per hour. So what we see is कि हर month के लिए उसने हमें average calculation दे दी है और हमें पता चल गया कि औसतन वो 492 letters को sort कर सकता है on average. So this is something that we can use to make recommendation to the employer, and then we can be sure of the higher or lower level of efficiency of the employees. And all of it is possible by using integrals. Thank you.